Work visas, the most common residency route. The most common way to move to the UAE is through a work visa, which is linked to employment in the country. Here's how it works. 1. You get a job offer from a company based in the UAE. 2. Your employer becomes your visa sponsor and handles most of the paperwork for you. 3. The process usually includes a contract from the employer, a medical exam, including blood tests for infectious diseases, and an application for an Emirates ID. This will serve as your official identification in the country. 4. Once approved, you'll receive a residency visa valid for 2 or 3 years, depending on the contract. Here's a key thing to note. Your visa is tied to your job. If you leave that company, your visa is canceled and you'll have to find another sponsor or leave the country. Investor and entrepreneur visas, building your future in the UAE. If you're a business owner or an investor, the UAE makes it very attractive to set up shop. There are 2 main pathways. 1. Investor visa for business owners and entrepreneurs. If you invest in a company or start your own business in the UAE, you can sponsor yourself for a visa. This is especially popular in the free zones, where foreigners can own 100% of their business with no local partner required. You'll typically need to show proof of your investment, such as business registration documents or financial records. 2. The Golden Visa for long-term residency. The UAE has recently introduced the Golden Visa. This grants 5 or 10-year residency to professionals, investors, entrepreneurs, and even some outstanding students. If you qualify, whether through a significant business investment or real estate ownership, or being a high-level professional in fields like science, medicine, or technology, then you can enjoy long-term residency without needing a traditional sponsor. Freelance and remote work visa, or the digital nomad. If you're not tied to a company, but you still want to live and work in the UAE, there are options for freelance and remote workers. First, the freelance visa. This allows professionals in certain fields like media, design, and technology to live in the UAE while working for clients around the world. And 2, the remote work visa. This will let foreign professionals live in Dubai while working for a company based outside the UAE. This is perfect for digital nomads who want to experience the UAE's luxurious lifestyle but don't want to switch jobs. Both of these visas allow self-sponsorship, meaning you have more flexibility than traditional work visas. Family sponsorship, bringing your loved ones. Once you secure a residency visa, you can apply for your family to join you. And here's how it works. You have to have a work visa, and you have to earn a certain salary, usually around $1,000 to $1,400 American. You can sponsor your child or your spouse for residency. If you have an investor visa or a golden visa, you can typically sponsor your family as well. Your family members will need to go through medical screening and apply for the Emirates ID. The process is fairly straightforward, making the UAE a great place for expat families looking for a safe and high-quality lifestyle.